Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change the graphics quality in REMATCH. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the play section of the game, so the play tab. Then we're going to select system, options, and then we're going to go to the video tab. And down here we have graphics quality. So this will change the overall graphics quality, so all these options will also change. So once you've selected the option that you want, you can just exit out the menu, exit out the settings, and the options will be saved automatically. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.